Good morning, friends. Today we will solve a problem on a 3-inch arch with a uniformly distributed load from the crown towards the left of intensity 2 kilonewton per meter. The span of the arch is 20 meters and the central rise is 4 meter. UDL is spanning for a length of 8 meters from the crown towards left. Intensity of UDL is 2 kilonewton per meter. So we are required to find maximum positive bending moment and maximum negative bending moment in the arch. So first we will calculate the reaction. So by taking reactions, by using the equation sum of all the vertical forces equal to 0, that is VA plus VB is equal to 16 kilonewton. Then taking moment about B, we have VA into 20 minus 2 into 8 into 14 is equal to 0. From this VA you get 11.2 kilonewton. So this is 11.2 kilonewton. Then again by taking moment about A, we have moment due to this VB into 20 minus 2 into 8 into 6 meters. So this is 2 meter. So this is 4 plus 2, 6 meters. So VB will get 4.8 kilonewton. Then for calculating horizontal reaction at A and B, we will take moment about C. So taking moment about C, we have HA into 4, that is anti-clockwise, hence minus, plus VA into 10 clockwise, plus then 2 into 8 into 4 equated to 0. From this HA will get 12 kilonewton. So this is 12 kilonewton. This is 12 kilonewton. After calculating the reactions, let us find the bending moment, maximum positive bending moment and maximum negative bending moment in the arch. So maximum positive bending moment is available in between portion C and D, and maximum negative bending moment is available in the portion B and C. So let us assume that at distance x the bending moment is maximum. So we are required to find y at that point. So for y, so we can write this parabola equation 4ycx into L minus x divided by L square, where L is equal to 20 and yc is equal to 4, that is central rise. So yx will be equal to 0.8x minus 0.04 x square. So let us now write the equation for bending moment at any section x, distance x from A. So the bending moment due to reaction will be 11.22 into x minus moment due to this UDL 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 divided by 2. Then bending moment due to this horizontal thrust will be 12 into this distance, 12 into yx. So that yx will be equal to 0.8x minus 0.04 x square. So on simplification we have x will be equal to 0.5 x square plus 5.6x minus of 4. For bending moment to be maximum, we know from mathematics the relation that dmx by dx equal to 0. So if you write this, differentiate it with respect to x and equate it to 0, we get x equal to 5.38 meter. So for x equal to 5.38 meter, y is equal to 3.15 meter. That is this y is equal to 3.15 meters. Let us, after calculating x and y, let us calculate maximum positive bending moment which is available at x equal to 5.38 meters from A as calculated earlier. So Mmax will be equal to reaction into distance, that is 11.2 into 5.38 minus moment due to horizontal thrust 12 into 3.15 and moment due to UDL, that is 2 into x by 2. So we get maximum moment as 11.03 kilonewton meter. So and the maximum negative bending moment is available between C and B. So let us calculate bending moment for a distance x from B, and we have moment due to reaction, that is 4.8 into x minus moment due to horizontal thrust. So moment due to horizontal thrust is positive because it is clockwise, and moment due to reaction it is anti-clockwise, hence negative. So this is a moment equation, that is 4.8x minus plus 9.6x minus 0.48 x square. So for bending moment to be maximum, its differentiation with respect to x should be equal to 0. So we have plus 4.8 minus 2 into 0.48 x equal to 0. From that x equal to 5 meters, which is from B. So at x equal to 5 meters, the vertical distance is y is 3 meter. That is at x equal to 5 meters here. At x equal to 5 meters, this vertical distance is 3 meters from the parabola equation, and this point the bending moment is maximum, that is negative. So putting the value of x and y, we have moment maximum moment will be equal to 12 kilonewton meter, which is negative. After calculating bending moment, positive bending moment and negative bending moment, let us draw the bending moment diagram. So we have seen that at 5.38 bending moment is maximum positive, and at 5 meter from the right hand side bending moment is negative, that is 12 kilonewton meter. So due to horizontal thrust, the bending moment at the center will be equal to 48 kilonewton meter from base. Then if you draw the net bending moment diagram, considering the horizontal reaction and vertical reaction and the load, bending moment is maximum positive, that is to the tune of 11.03 kilonewton meter at a distance of 5.38, and maximum negative bending moment is available at x equal to 5 meters from the right hand side. So that is equal to 12 kilonewton meter. So that is the bending moment diagram. Thank you.